this is Janet with Try It Like It Created, and today I am here with Gwen Studios ribbon. And look at this amazing die cut ribbon. I mean, it is, I've never seen anything like it before. It is just amazing. And so what we're going to be doing is making a Christmas ornament that is also a gift. So I have cut my ribbon to the length that fits around the circumference of my clear ornament. Let's set that aside. And I'm going to take my two colors of ribbon and place them into my Xyron sticker maker so that I can get adhesive onto the backs of my ribbon. So I'm just going to try to place them apart from each other and then gently pull them through the machine. Shouldn't be that difficult. And just make sure that everything is going to plan. My red has gone a little cocky-wampus on me here, but so I was paying attention to the green, but that's okay. We'll just keep going here, and we'll make it work. Alright, I'm going to set that aside. Then I'm going to rub this down well to make sure that it has its adhesive on the backs of it. Alright. Now we're just going to peel the plastic off the top that we don't need. And that should take the adhesive we don't need along with it. Alright, now, because I messed up here, I am going to unstick and kind of straighten out my red ribbon. And stick it back down so it's more straight. Alright, now I'm going to take my green trees and I'm going to stick them down to the red. And I'm just going to try to washi tape this paper down to my work mat here, just to kind of make it a little bit easier on me. Alright, so now we're going to line up these trees here at the bottom of the ribbon. And it is sticking to me really well. Okay. Just a little bit of crazy here. Alright. So I'm going to stick that down. Now I did a little extra green here, and the reason being I made a gift tag to go on there. So I have this nice tag, and I'm just going to now stick these green trees down. I picked up some fuzzy on the way over here. Okay. I'm going to try to put that big one in the center. Close to it anyway. Alright. And then I'm going to cut that off. Quick and easy decoration. Now my tag will match my ornament that I'm working on. Alright, so I'm going to set the tag aside. Alright, I had to pause there to find my gum eraser here and rubber eraser, and just found just tapping in the small areas is picking up the extra adhesive for me. If you have larger areas, you can definitely rub on those to pick up as much of the excess adhesive as you can. But this works really well, and it cleans it up before we move on any further. I've already done this on the gift tag off camera, and now I'm just doing it on a ribbon piece here to show you how quickly this works and how well it works. Alright, so now we're ready to wrap around our ornament. You want to give this a wipe down if it has any spots on it. And then I'm going to peel off my ribbon here, and we're going to go around the middle of the ornament. Nice and slow. And right back to where we started. And then you're going to trim off any excess. Go ahead and let those overlap on the ends, as we're going to cover that up. Alright. Okay, so now to cover up the overlap here, I have just created a little double bow, and we're going to glue that on with some Fabri-tac. And then we're going to put a little Christmas medallion on top of that. And my Christmas medallion is one I made, and I will share the file with you so you can print it out. What I've done is I printed out the file and then cut it out, and then I put some UV resin over the top. So any kind of clear coating, just to make it a little bit more firm, a little bit more stiff. And then we're going to put that on top to hide everything. So let me just grab a little dollop of Fabri-tac in here so it'll stick to the ribbon. And just stick that whole thing right there and push on it pretty well. Now, my ornament is plastic. You could definitely use a glass one if you'd like, but for the next step, what we're going to do is we're going to fill it with a treat. Now, if you're going to put food inside, you want to make sure that you have cleaned it out, and I have already done that off camera. And then the last thing we're going to do is attach our gift tag to the ornament. So the last thing to do here then is, after I have filled with candy, and I just use regular M&Ms, but wouldn't it be super sweet if you could get the Christmas color, just the red and the green? I am taking more of this beautiful festive Christmas type ribbon from Gwen Studios and putting it through the ornament, and then I'm going to run it through my tag, which I won't forget to sign before I gift it. And then all I have to do is tie off all the ends. And I am just going to do that in one big knot, like so. I think I missed the green one. Let me try that again. Alright, here we go. Make sure I got everything through there this time. Just make a nice little bow at the end, and then your gift is ready to hang. Now this is heavy. It feels like the mechanism there is going to hold up for it, but just in case, you may want to empty it. I'm sure someone would love to empty it before you hang it on your tree. So what a fun little homemade DIY gift for friends and family. I just love the look of this.